Not getting hit. Oh, I just had to move the throttle. All right. I am not used to this. Oh, this is nuts. It's definitely more comfortable. But it is so weird. I'm not used to this at all. I feel like there's so much stuff in front of my face. It's hard to see. I don't know if the cruiser's my jam. I just gotta get used to it, I'm sure. I do like being able to see my bike though. Bike swapsies. This is so weird. I can't get used to it. That scared the shit out of me. Can't get used to it. It's so much different. Oh my gosh.
Seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that.
Much better. I love my R7.
From the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside. Cause niggas ain't really who they say on the outside. Slide around the city with my day one niggas. I ain't gotta worry cause they A1 niggas. Wasn't in the field then you can't come with us. My little shawty going stupid, going straight dumb with us. I'm a big time nigga, still humble in the hood. Gotta keep it positive on nothing but the good. When I'm on vacation I be stunting like I should. Got a real queen falling, she gon' stumble on the wood. And I still be doing business with my brother down. And I know that if I got it I'ma cover them. And I know that if I need it they gon' give it back. Gotta practice what you preach and I be living that.
Saw some crazy stuff. Woo, lady.
Don't stop it.
Got to ride a Harley. I think what I didn't like about riding that Harley is having the handlebars high up like that. I think if I had lower handlebars, I would be I'd be feeling better about it. Alright guys, that was a long day. I am tired. We'll see you on the next one.
Here's your NFL draft grade. With the number 14 pick, the Baltimore Ravens selected Kyle Hamilton, safety out of Notre Dame. Now this guy is going to give you range in coverage. I absolutely love this pick. He was the best defender in the class to me. A+. From All Things Sports, check out the Rally. Weekdays on Valley.
It's not letting me push the button.